Hey, it's the Bargain Bounty Hunter, and I got a big package today to open up, review, test, set up, all that good stuff. So let's get right to it. So as I said, I get this package here I'm going to be opening up and setting up and reviewing and unboxing and doing all that fun stuff. What is it? Well, a couple days ago, my computer chair in my office, one of its tires fell off now, or its casters, I should say. Just a part of it broke off and it was starting to scuff up my floor. So I decided it had been, that chair had been overdue for replacement. It had probably been close to 10 years old. And computer chairs, especially if you use them a lot, they don't last that long, and it was a cheap one. So I decided to spend a little and get something nice. So let's get to it. So, as you can see, this is the new chair. It came in directly from the manufacturer. So I ordered it on Amazon. The chair is a Homall gaming chair, and I ordered it directly from Homall. So the store was Homall Direct, and they sent it to me pretty quickly. In about a week's time, it took. I'll put in somewhere in there exactly the amount of time it took. But actually, they told me it might come in way later. So it was kind of a window I was gonna get it. I wasn't sure exactly when it was gonna come, but it ended up coming quicker than I thought. Now, looking at the box, I am a little worried because right here, you can see that a piece of it poked through the cardboard. I can't tell if there's any damage until I get inside, but that's a little worrisome. But everywhere else, besides some crunched corners and things, it looks okay. So let's get this thing open and get it set up. So here's the piece that had been poking through. It was the base of the chair. As I check out that corner that was sticking out of the packaging, I don't really see any damage there. So I think that was just fortunate, because that could have really got chunked up in shipping and damaged, but it doesn't seem to have gotten damaged at all. So I'm just gonna put that aside. Here's one of the arms of the chair. And it's got some rubberized foam for the cushion. And then it's got a metal base with a little plastic coated cover on the side, so that's nice. Not all plastic. Here's the other one. This one's got an L. Must be the left side. Now, here is the back of the chair. You can see right there, this is Homall has a couple different brands of gaming chairs. This one was the RACER. It has the white, red, and black. They had different colors. They had one that was predominantly all red and black, and then they had one that was white and blue instead of being red. So depending on the look you were going for, I was tempted to go with just the black and the red, but that one was actually more expensive than this one. So this chair was $149, which isn't terribly expensive. Compared to some of the gaming chairs that they have out there. So, being that I am the bargain bounty hunter, I tried to go for the best bang for my buck. definitely less expensive, but hopefully the quality is just as good. Some plastic pieces, I'm sure the instructions will tell me where those go. The base. Here's the seat. I really like these stripes. It's got a really cool look to it. Pretty excited, and there's a lot of cushion. And here's the instruction manual that comes with it. This is the lumbar support system straps. Pillow. So there's everything unboxed. The nice thing is the hardware kit here comes with all the screws, and it even comes with a little Allen key that has a Phillips head at the end. So it doesn't look like I'll need any tools besides this. So let's get started on the assembly. Being a person who's bought several computer chairs in the past, I wasn't exactly sure how well the casters were going to be built. These ones actually do seem to be better than your regular run-of-the-mill casters. They feel heavier duty, the plastic is stronger, they have rubber tires on the casters. So I'm curious to see how they do. I've had chairs where it's lasted years, but the casters have gone and I've had to buy new casters for the chairs, and fortunately they're all pretty standard size, so they'll fit. But being a bigger guy, when I bought this one, I noticed that it had a weight of 300 pounds. So yeah, I'm not at that mark, so I should be okay on this chair. But yeah, if you're a bigger guy and you're worried about your chair surviving, you can look at heavier duty models like this one. according to the directions, this would now be the moment of truth. These just clip together around. Same with the pillow. Let's check it out. Forgive my sweaty mess. I decided to do this, or I guess I decided to do it because I came in today, but it's the hottest day of the year so far. 92. I got the AC on, but I haven't had it on all day. So, let's see. So, it's pretty comfortable. Pillow is somewhat adjustable to where you want it. The back lumbar, you can adjust it to wherever you want it as well. So, it feels pretty good. Now, down here, you can adjust the steepness or the pitch of the back. So, if you wanted to, and you wanted to recline, you can just grab it and recline back. Grab it again, pulls forward. There's also a lever on the bottom here that raises you up and down with the piston. One thing that doesn't adjust is the arm height. The arm height is stationary, it's stuck there, it isn't moving. My old one was like that, but I have seen some where they're adjustable. So that is kind of a nice feature when they can be adjustable, but that's not a deal breaker for me. It works fine without being adjustable. So, let's see. Downside would be, if I had to think of the downside of what this chair, I would say the adjustable armrest would be a nice feature, but it's not necessary. Positives, very comfortable. It's like I said, it's a heavier duty chair, so it should last longer than your typical run-of-the-mill store-bought computer chair or gaming chair even. It's got a really cool design. I really like it. I'm happy I made this purchase. So, I think that's everything. $149.99. So $150. And I got a decent gaming chair, heavy duty, that hopefully will last many years. Also on the store, it was 4.5 stars, so 4.5 stars on Amazon. I was looking like crazy to find the best rated chair that was under $200, and this was the one I found. Now, it's not saying there aren't some other ones, but most of them were around 4 stars, and when I read the reviews, it made me nervous. This chair, though, had people saying about how, in the reviews, about how they've fallen asleep in it, and how comfortable it was, and how long it's lasted, and there was really good things, and seeing that it was 4.5 stars, I figured I'd give it a go. So we'll have to see over time, but I think I'm happy right now. I think this is a great chair. So thanks for watching, and if I have any updates on the chair, I'll make sure that I put out another video kind of giving you my feelings. Thanks.